Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you a very simple example on AWS step function with the map operator with EMR on EC2. The use case is very simple, right? Let's say you have sites to process. Sites as an example, right? Let's assume you have 5 sites: site 1, site 2, site 3, site 4 and site 5. And now for each site you want to spin up a Spark job. Now the challenge becomes here, I only want to process 2 sites at a given point. So my concurrency here is 2. So once either site 1 or site 2 is completed, the next site should be submitted as a Spark job, right? So how do you do that, right? So I'm going to show you that how easily you can do that with step function, right? So in simple language, if you have 5 items and you only want to process maximum of 2 items at a given point, right? And once either one of the item or both are complete, you want the next 2 sites to come up, right? So how to do that? How to do that orchestration, right? This is actually easy with step functions, right? And I want to show you an example. Okay. All right. So here I'm gonna show you these, right? So let's say I have five jobs, right, that I'm gonna submit to the EMR, right? Site 1, site 2, site 3, site 4, site 5. Very easy, right? And now let me show you the step functions. So process EMR type is gonna be a map. Then the items.path is $.jobs. So whatever items you have it in over here, right? $.jobs, right? Then the max concurrency is set to 2, which means that, hey, at a given point, only 2 instances should be running. That's it, right? Right. And then inside the iterator, we have a submit EMR step, as you can see. Now here we use on.aws.states.elastic.map.reduce.add.step.sync. Sync is very important, right? And then of course what we do is we are submitting a sample, as you can see, Spark Pi job. So basically it calculates the value of pi, right? But again, what I'm showing you is I'm simulating that we are submitting job. So at any given point, only 2 Spark jobs should be running, right? Once the first Spark job is complete, it will automatically submit on another one, right? That's what I'm trying to show you, right? So let's see. So something like this, right? So for example, I was trying my best to, make a diagram so I can explain you. So here, let's say you have these colors, right? And first, the yellow and the gray color will be processed. So here the step function comes, Spark job 1, Spark job 2, and it's working. Once either one of is complete, right? If it is complete, now, the step function will, pass the green block, right? And then the orange block. If both are complete, then orange and green, both blocks are submitted, right? So that's what I'm trying to show you, right? It's really cool, man. Okay, so demo, right? Well, that's what everybody wants to learn and see, right? Okay, so new execution. I have my EMR cluster ID here, and then I have all these jobs here. So what should happen? Let's first talk about that, right? So if I collapse here, hopefully you guys can see, right? Okay. So what do I expect is when this step function fires up, right? Only 2 Spark jobs should be running, right? At a given point, only 2 Spark jobs should be running. 4 or 5 should not come up, right? That's what I'm trying to say, right? So maybe we can say it's fine. Site is fine. I mean, I was thinking some good name. Demo 1. Let's do demo 1. The demo is a good name, right? So let's say demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, demo 4, and demo 5. Okay, cool. So now when I submit it over here in my EMR on EC2, as you can see on the console, I should only see, if I can probably scroll here, in the name, I should see demo 1, demo 2. Once either demo 1 or demo 2 is complete, another one will automatically. So step function is responsible. Okay, you figure out whether any jobs are running or not. If they are running, are they completed? If they are completed, then submit a new one, right? It's your job to do all that orchestration. I don't want to do that. I don't want to write the logic for it, right? So let's do, okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. I submitted it, as you can see, process EMR jobs, iterator 1. And if I now refresh quickly, here, look, demo 2, demo 1, right? So here you can see pending. Now, third and fourth job are not going to be submitted at this point until and unless either one demo 1 or demo 2, or if both complete, then and only then another 2 jobs will come up, right? So hopefully you made sense, right? So again, this will take time because again, these are like Spark jobs and has to do the computation, right? So I have done this exercise in the past and I've verified it, but I wanted to show you, right? So Again, if you had to write all that logic, like the orchestration logic, that's complex because first you would need some sort of a queuing system. You then have to submit the job. Then through the step ID or job ID, you have to, sorry about that, through step ID or job ID, then you have to poll for statuses. It becomes difficult, right? So this is a much more easier approach. So I just wanted to show you. Of course, this will take time. I will leave the source code in the description section below. So in case if you want to check it out, you can check it out. But with that being said, keep smiling, keep programming. And I hope you like the approach, right? So if you have a lot of sites or a lot of users that you want to process, and at a given point, you only want to have 10 user or 10 jobs to be processed, you can leverage this particular approach, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.